sklearn Ensemble Extra Trees Classifier. Description: Extra Trees Classifier is an ensemble learning method for classification that operates by constructing a multitude of decision trees during training and outputting the class that is the mode of the class is classification or mean average prediction regression of the individual trees. Each decision tree is built on a random subset of the training data, bootstrap aggregating or bagging, and each tree is constructed with a random subset of features at each node. This randomness in both data and features ensures that the trees are correlated and diverse, which leads to a more robust and less prone to overfitting model. Inputs: X feature matrix of shape n samples. N features. Each row represents a data point and each column represents a feature. Y target variable of shape n samples. Contains the class labels for each data point in X. Outputs: predicted labels, the predicted class labels for new data points. Probability estimates the probability of each class for each data point in new data. Steps: bootstrap aggregating, bagging randomly sample with replacement from the training data to create multiple subsets. Each subset will be used to train a separate decision tree. Random subspace for each tree and at each node. Randomly select a subset of features to be considered for splitting the node. Decision tree construction: build a decision tree for each subset of data and features. Prediction for new data. Each tree makes a prediction. The final prediction is the average of the predictions of all trees for regression or the class. That is the mode of the predictions of all trees for classification. Metrics: accuracy, the proportion of correctly classified data points. Precision, the proportion of correctly predicted positive cases out of all predicted positive cases. Recall, the proportion of correctly predicted positive cases out of all actual positive cases. F1 score, the harmonic mean of precision and recall. Visualization plots. Decision tree plots visualize the structure of each individual decision tree. Feature importance plots show the importance of each feature in the classification process. Fine-tune parameters. Nestimators, the number of trees in the forest. Increasing the number of trees generally improves performance but can also increase computational time. Max depth, the maximum depth of each tree. This parameter helps to control overfitting and can improve generalization performance. Max features, the number of features to consider when looking for the best split at each node. Uncertainty methods. Out-of-bag OOB error uses the trees that were not trained on a specific data point to estimate the uncertainty for that point. Confidence intervals can be calculated for the predicted probabilities, providing a measure of uncertainty about the prediction. Challenges and fixes. High computational cost. Training a large number of trees can be computationally expensive, especially for large datasets. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 1: training an extra trees classifier with 1000 trees on a dataset with millions of samples and thousands of features. Fixes to Challenge 1. Reduce the number of trees. Start with a smaller number of trees and gradually increase it until the performance plateaus. Use parallelization. Leverage multi-core CPUs or GPUs to speed up the training process. Optimize hyperparameters. Experiment with different hyperparameter values to find the best balance between performance and computational cost. Overfitting. If the trees are too deep or the number of features is too high, the model may overfit to the training data. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 2: training an extra trees classifier on a dataset with a high number of features and a limited number of samples. Fixes to Challenge 2. Use a smaller number of features. Use feature selection techniques to reduce the dimensionality of the data. Reduce the depth of the trees. Limit the maximum depth of the trees to prevent overfitting. Use regularization techniques. Techniques like L1 or L2 regularization can help to prevent overfitting. Interpretability. It can be difficult to interpret the predictions of an extra trees classifier, because it is an ensemble model composed of many individual trees. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3. Understanding the reasons behind the classification. Decision made by an extra trees classifier. Fixes to challenge 3. Use feature importance plots to identify the most important features. Use partial dependence plots to visualize how individual features influence the predictions. Use decision tree visualization tools to understand the structure of individual trees.